Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is job termination. Ladies and gentlemen, there are three methods in which a person can leave his job. The first thing is he was hired on contractual basis. The contract expires and industry tells the employee to leave the organization. Second is graceful retirement or gracefully leaving the organization. You got a golden opportunity somewhere else and you left your current organization. That is graceful. Or you have spent your entire life in one particular organization and now you are old, you cannot work further. That's why you took retirement. Now this is graceful, honorably leaving any organization. But the third category is very disgraceful and humiliating, ladies and gentlemen, and it is the case when your own organization fires you. When your own organization fires you because you did something wrong. Sometimes employees try to cheat the organization. They steal the data of the organization and share it with other people. They try to breach the security of the organization. Within an organization, only the employees of the organization are allowed, but certain employees, what they do, they bring their friends and family members to office premises. Without permission, they give them their access card and allow them to enter the industry. That is not allowed, but still people do it. And this is the reason why they are fired. So there are certain reasons because of which employees get fired from an organization. Either you cheat the organization by stealing the data of the organization, or you bring some outsider within the organization by giving your access card, or any other kind of theft that you perform within the organization. In that case, you are disgracefully fired from the organization. And when you are fired from the organization, you cannot apply in the same organization again in the entire world. I mean to say that wherever there are offices of that particular organization in the world, you cannot apply in any of those offices again. Once you are fired from one particular organization, you are defaulter for that particular organization. And your data is shared with every office of that organization throughout the world, throughout the country. That's why whenever an employee is fired from an organization, he is fired permanently. He cannot apply in the same organization again. And this is disgraceful, ladies and gentlemen. It is disrespectful. Just imagine this situation when someone fires you from an organization. It is very humiliating. You really feel insulted, ladies and gentlemen. And this situation should never come in anyone's life, I will say. But why it actually happens? It happens because you tried to cheat the organization at the very first place. Organizations never fire their employees without any reason. Employees of the organization are the biggest assets of the organization. Whatever hardware, software and technology the industry is making use of, it is good, that is also an asset. But above that, people are the asset of the organization. If there are no people, how a technology can run? How any hardware or software can function appropriately without people? So people are the biggest assets. And people working inside an organization must understand this fact that for any organization, people are the biggest assets. So if your organization thinks that you are an asset, you should never cheat your organization at the very first place. Never cheat your organization. Your organization is giving you salary. Along with the salary, the organization is giving you other necessary benefits. Within the company, as a part of the organization, you get to know many crucial things. Your organization gives you consistent trainings to develop your professional skills. Your organization gives you internal growth opportunities. Looking at your dedication and commitment, your organization consistently makes increment in your salaries. And still, if you cheat your organization, you are really doing wrong. And you are not doing wrong to the organization, you are doing wrong to yourself. What is the meaning of gaining so much educational qualification if our moral values are zero? We all know that in order to gain higher salaries, we need to enhance our communication skills, we need to enhance our certification, we need to enhance our educational qualification. And after enhancing your educational qualification, your certification, your English communication skills, still you cheat the organization. Still you stole the data of the organization and give it to someone else. What is the meaning of being an educated person? Is there any meaning in being an educated person and gaining so many certifications and higher qualification if your mentality is bad? If there is theft mentality, what is the meaning of gaining higher education, ladies and gentlemen? Education is something that changes the character of an individual in a positive direction. Education is something that boosts the morale of a person in a positive direction. The person who is demotivated, education makes him a motivated person. The person who is thinking negative, education makes him a positive thinking personality. But here what we are doing, even after gaining large number of certificates and education, we are still cheating the organization. Now tell me one thing, how the education has helped you to grow? Just in terms of designation and certification, and your moral and ethical values are still zero. Even after being so much qualified and having so many certifications, the mentality is, I have to steal the data of the organization and give it to someone else. I will allow some outsider to take my access card and enter in my premises. Is this education? This is not education. If the qualification is not changing your personality, if the qualification is not changing your attitude, and if the qualification is not developing human element in your personality, moral element in your personality, that qualification is absolutely waste. No use at all. So try to understand this thing. Getting fired from an organization is really disgraceful. Whenever a person wants to leave the organization himself, he has to serve a notice period. This is the rule of every organization. If you want to leave the organization yourself, you got some better opportunity somewhere else, you have to serve the notice period. And that is very much good for you. As long as you are serving here notice period, you are preparing to join the next industry. And you leave the organization gracefully. You get experience certificate. You get your TDS and PF clarified. And very gracefully you leave your organization. But if you are fired from the organization, you cannot even show the experience of that particular organization to some other company. So if you have worked in a particular organization, say for 15 or 16 years, and then you cheat the organization and the organization fires you, that 15 to 16 years experience is zero. Your organization is not going to give you experience letter. What will you say to your next organization? What were you doing since last 15 to 16 years sitting idle? Because this organization is not going to give you experience letter because you cheated the organization. So whatever such kind of things people are doing, it always backfires. It is not harmful for the organization, it is harmful for the people who are doing it. So try to work consistently inside an organization. Maintain the honesty level within the organization so that you leave the organization gracefully, and even after leaving the organization, people inside the organization remember you forever. They remember you for what good things you did inside the organization when you were the part of it. They remember you for all the dynamic contributions that you made in the organization when you were the employee of that organization. Ladies and gentlemen, people should always remember you for your attitude, your behavior, your dynamism that you have shown as a part of organization, your constant contribution that you made in the direction of growth and upliftment of the organization. People always remember you for that. People don't remember you for what theft you did inside the organization, how you cheated the organization, how you defame the organization. These are immoral values and we must avoid them. We are educated people. We are doing large number of different courses, BTech and MBA and many other courses, just to get into the corporate world. And once we become the part of corporate world, we become so smart, so dynamic that we start cheating the organization. Ladies and gentlemen, education is not just about gaining degrees. No, it is about developing your moral character, your moral values. That's why educated people are required in society. Otherwise, what is the meaning of studying? What is the meaning of gaining so many degrees and diplomas and whatever people do? So always keep this thing in your mind. Honesty is the best policy and nothing is bigger than honesty. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel ER Piyush Pandey Trainer BTech MBA and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.